There you go, you guys could probably see me a little bit better. Good morning, it is currently 5:34. We have a big day ahead of us. I'm gonna make this short and sweet, but basically, it's a small world. I'm staying at an Airbnb. The Airbnb owner recommended me this guy, Pat, to go fishing with. He put me and Pat in a group chat. We met up, got lunch, ended up kicking it pretty well, I would have to say. And then he was like, hey, let's go fishing. And I was like, let's do it. He's a huge fisherman. He's an unbelievable fisherman. He's an unbelievable chef, and he's an unbelievable surfer. He's a great guy, and I can't wait to get out on the water with him. It's going to be Lila, Shannon. You're gonna meet them too. I think you've met Lila on the channel. Maybe not. And then Pat. And we're going out on a boat. I'm in Florida. We're still here. Apparently it's gonna be pretty crazy, and I could potentially catch the biggest fish in my life. Currently that is 31 pound carp, which is really cool. But I could easily break that today. We're going after a species that I've struggled to catch for a very long time, and going out with someone that knows what they're doing, I have a strong feeling that today might be the day that I finally catch a bucket list fish of mine. So there's a lot on the line this morning. I'm excited. I'm very grateful that I ended up meeting Pat and staying at this exact Airbnb. It's pretty crazy how everything kind of works out like that. But I don't know what else to tell you guys. That kind of updates everything. How I met him, really cool way of meeting him. He's a really well-known dude. I'll leave his Instagram down below. I'll leave his sauce that he makes down below because it's unreal. I'll leave all his information down below, and you guys should definitely go check him out. He's such a cool guy. I know you guys would absolutely love him. But with that being said, I'm gonna finish getting ready really quick. I'm currently in the car. The Airbnb door is right there, and then I am going to be out on a boat really soon. Pretty excited. Thank you guys for clicking on this episode. Hopefully it is as cool as I'm thinking it's about to be. I'm gonna record as much as I possibly can. GoPro will be on, but time to hit the water in a little bit. I'm gonna finish getting ready. Love you guys. Thank you for all the support. Let's kick this Florida trip off the right way.
See?
Those are redfish?
Yeah. These are giant reds. Giant reds with Becca.
Alright, we're going to turn that little fish into a really big fish. Here's the thing. If you get a bite, don't set the hook.
Okay. Don't set the hook.
As a matter of fact, if you feel one, take it, go like that.
And let him run?
Yeah.
Okay. How long do I let him run for?
3-4 seconds.
What's that line? Let him smoke the cigarette?
The biggest fish in my life is currently 31 pounds, just letting you know.
Oh, okay.
So we could catch
Your record?
My-
Your PB?
my PB. How are you feeling?
Good.
Shannon, how are you feeling?
Good. I want to see a freaking manatee.
You don't want to see redfish?
Well, they're slow.
I want to see a manatee. I'm the only, out of every girl in the boat, I'm the only one that wants to catch a redfish.
No, I want to, but they take forever.
I want a manatee. Patience.
Patience is a virtue.
Oh, here comes the rain.
Like Max said, there are shit drives.
Oh, it's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring.
Something. Bumped his head. something. I want Pokeballs.
All those eye rocks are good. There we go. There you go. Come on back.
Reel in these rods, everybody.
Yeah, grab one real. Excuse me.
Take them to the front.
Put it under
Take your
my arm.
time. When it runs, you let it run.
Okay. Feels like a literal rock.
Just let it go when he wants to run.
Yeah, he's doing his thing.
Don't reel against the drag. Guys, let him go. He'll stop running. When he stops running, you lift up and reel all the way down. Just gain inches at a time. That's it.
Okay.
20-pound test, so you got to keep time. Keep working right off.
Of course, the lightest setup we have out. And it gets smacked.
It's going to take us 15 minutes. So just
15-minute fight? Hell yeah. I'm in for it.
You might, yeah, put that. We'll put up here in a second. Take your time. You can come to the back of the boat if you want.
Okay, yeah, that'd be better.
I'll tire her out.
Yeah.
This is gonna be such a long fight. I can already feel it.
Alright. Gain inches when you can.
Yep.
And then when she doesn't run, let her run.
Okay.
Yeah, one more day. So once it comes to the other side of the boat, you get to the other side of the boat. Don't try to pull one too hard though. Take your time.
Okay.
You really gotta connect it. So if she turns and smacks with her tail or something, it's really good. Let it go. Let it go. Once she runs and you turn her back, she starts getting tired.
Yep. Play herself out.
These times are perfect like that, just like it don't really.
Yep. This is how I fight the albies. I'm just trying to treat it like an albie.
Look, when you get her up to the side of the boat, you're gonna come this way, and I'm gonna come in behind you so I can net her,
Okay. Could someone grab my big camera, the Sony? Yep.
See her, there she is. Just got visual on it. It's a 40-pounder at least.
40?
There she is.
Oh my god.
Get ready to walk.
Oh my god, look at this red
Holy
fish.
crap.
This is a legit one here.
Oh my god.
Take your time. She might run to the bottom again.
Okay. Oh my god, dude.
Let her run one more time. Now this time, you're gonna lift your tip up real high so I can get your line, okay?
Holy crap, that is a bull red. That is a bull red.
I'm gonna have you sit on that cooler.
Here, we'll move that stuff. Okay, hold
Turn
on.
that stuff on the seat right here.
Holy crap, that's a giant.
Then I want you to sit on the cooler.
I just caught the biggest fish in my life. 100%.
Sit on that cooler.
Beat the river carp. 31 pound river carp is definitely not as big as this fish. Ooh.
I got a bunch, Jamie.
Good?
Alright, you want a reviver?
Yeah.
Alright, come here.
Such a beautiful redfish. Oh my god.
You're gonna put your hand in her mouth like I got it here. And don't let her go even if she tries to go.
Okay.
She's got slight teeth.
Let me get, don't.
She's got slight teeth, but they're not really gonna get you bad. Get down on your knees and sit back a little farther.
Look at the dolphin.
You have to lean over. Okay, she's gonna try to swim at first, but we need a reviver. She's gonna float.
Okay.
Go ahead, get it. Okay. You can hold her by her tail for a second. Gotta get her gills, start going. Get her mouth underwater. No. She ain't ready yet. There she is.
Towards me.
There you go.
Dude, that was so sick. Let's go! Thank you. Fishing with Becca! Yeah, I'm totally down to catch another one. That was really sick.
That was a 40-pounder.
Yeah, how big do you think that was?
I'd say 38. Close to 40 though.
Yeah, that was the size of this freaking cooler.
Max,
that's the biggest one you've seen, huh?
Hey vlog, what's up? Today we're gonna be looking at manatees.
No, we're not. We're at spot number 2, looking for snook.
Snook.
We're gonna be fishing mangroves. What they're called, mangroves?
Yeah.
Fishing mangroves, searching for snook, which I've also never caught. By catching my first ever red and snook in one day, I'm gonna be so excited.
We're gonna go crazy.
It's gonna be the coolest day ever.
Celebrate later?
Yeah, we're gonna celebrate later. We're gonna
Big Ten.
we're gonna celebrate by playing mermaid in the pool. You think we're gonna get bit here? You already getting bit? All right, I gotta get up. Hold on, switching you guys to the GoPro. There we go. Oh, it's fighting really weird. Sheep's head? Oh, sick. I've only caught one sheep's head before. This is my second one ever. Hey, look how pretty. Lila. It's a sheep's head. She's like, no, I'm good. My second sheep's head ever. That's a good one. Freaky little mouths. Yeah, they're like buck teeth. Lila, look. Human teeth.
Someone up in the ghetto.
Bye, buddy.
Yeah, gold teeth.
It's like flying.
Cool. Oh my god.
Take it out.
No, don't reel so fast.
Snook.
No way. You just caught a snook. No freaking way.
That's a ladyfish.
Oh. Yeah? Do whatever you want with it. Shan just caught her first fish ever. That's a good ladyfish. Yeah! Woo! Yeah, Shannon!
Oh my god, I'm so happy.
Yeah, let's take a pic.
I got a sponsor at American Eagle.
Like this, cup them. Show her back.
Becca.
That's what we call a 4-man.
This hand?
I just don't want to take
There
my
we
hand
go.
out.
Don't put, no, not so much finger though. Hide
Yeah,
your
yeah.
fingers.
Try to hide your fingers as much as possible.
Ready,
Yeah,
ready,
perfect.
ready, big smiles, girls. Okay, good stuff. Awesome.
First ever!
I'm like, I keep looking at
Yeah,
it.
toss it back.
Come over here. No.
Oh,
Toss them
No,
out.
it's a bait.
Oh, it's bait. There you
oh,
go.
you want to keep him?
You gotta keep them.
Oh, all right. Give it to him. Give it to him.
Throw it right in there.
Hey!
That's the first fish you ever caught?
First fish ever. Yeah, you came out with some pros today. Going after bull reds, now we're going after snook and anything else that bites, like a sheephead.
You got him. Yeah.
You got him? Jesus, Shannon, no way!
Another lady?
Yeah.
Yo, you're a ladyfish killer.
That's a bluefish.
Oh, bluefish!
Fish.
Hey, that's sick.
I got it.
That's sick.
2 in a row.
You got one? It looks like he's fighting pretty good. What is it? What is it?
Yeah!
Oh, sheep's head! You did it!
Nice.
Wait, no, the weight.
That is so cool.
Yeah. Okay, now lift it up. Bring it to me.
Yeah. Holy shit.
Look at his teeth on this one. The teeth on this one's even better.
Just crammed so bad.
Smile like you actually want to be.
It's bleeding.
Yeah, toss it back.
I love you.
Lila, how do you feel?
I just heard it.
You didn't hurt it?
Kind of like one more shrimp here, and then we're gonna go try for something bigger.
Okay, sounds good.
Oh, it only took half.
Well, yeah, I'll give you you want a fresh one though.
That was
Yeah,
good.
Aaron just looking for something. Right? He wants something.
His hunting tactic is just being as still as he can. Something will come right up.
There we go.
Oh yeah.
That might be a red tongue.
Oh,
That is a snook, I believe.
dude, it just jumped straight out of the water.
Okay, let me get back here. I'm gonna get the net. So we don't lose it. That's a snook.
That's a good fish.
I got one too.
Double hookups. Yeah, this is a snook.
It is? Oh god.
Yep.
No way.
Come here with the net.
Becca.
This snook.
Let's go! Let's go!
That's
I got a snook! Yes! Holy crap! Woo! I can't believe I just got a freaking snook.
I got one too.
What'd you
snook?
catch?
I just got a little baby fish.
That's a blue runner. I can't believe that's in here. That's an ocean fish.
Becca with a beautiful snook right here.
Lila.
Intercoastal snook. That is gorgeous.
If you hold her lip for a second, and then after you get her going, you leave her thumb in her mouth, she'll suck on your thumb.
Okay. Did anyone get pictures?
Yep.
Okay.
She got some.
First ever
So don't
snook.
let her go. Lean over the side. Hold her lip real hard for a second. Get her going. Okay?
Yep.
Now you gotta have her facing the water. In the water.
Oh yeah, she's on my.
She's sucking now, yeah?
Yeah.
It's so crazy that they just.
Bye.
Yeah.
That's so sick. Lila's got one? No way.
Becca.
What is it? What is it? Bluefish! Yeah! Is that your first fish of the day? Oh yeah, you caught this sheep's head.
How's that snook?
That snook was awesome. I definitely realized it was bigger than that sheep's head I just caught once the drag started going. I was like, oh god.
Look at this. Pompano or Jack?
Oh, Jack?
Yes. Another species.
Oh, lift him up, lift him up, lift him up. Put him.
That's a pompano, actually.
That's a pompano. That's good eating right there.
Oh, that's sick.
Wow.
That's sick.
That's really good eating.
That's your biggest.
Get a photo with that.
Yeah, PR! Thank you!
Yeah!
Girl.
Yeah!
Lady Dangler! Yeah.
Actually,
Wait, yeah, what are you saying? We're gonna eat them.
Two sandwiches right there.
All right, Lila just caught the last fish of the day. A pompano?
Pompano trap.
It kind of looks like a jack. I
Put
don't
some
know.
2 packs of wine cookie sauce on that.
That's what
Yes.
we're saying. Some 2 fat sauce.
Oh yeah, the man, the myth, the legend, his sauce. For my
Look at
dad.
its mouth.
He's slippery, so you gotta pinch him right where I got him right there.
Like the last one.
Yeah.
Don't let
He's
it
really
fall out.
slimy.
Get a good photo of that. Yeah. Delilah. What's it like in New Smyrna?
Well, we're gonna eat that fish. That was the last fish of the day that Lila just snagged. Oh, you gotta put him in the cooler. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's episode of me catching my biggest fish ever. Shout out to the cameraman that helped us out today. Shout out to everyone in this boat. Everyone will be linked down below. 2-pack, his sauce, Instagram, all that fun stuff. How are you feeling? Lila's about to throw up over there. Yeah, but it was a crazy good day. We're gonna be heading some more saltwater fishing on this trip with 2-pack actually. So it should be fun. Any last words?
Yay!
Any last words from everyone?
Good job today, y'all. Good job.
Thanks for coming.
Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing that cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my post, the same now, I've been humble too long.